Just to let you know, I will oh god, oh god, oh god. It's not gonna work. Oh. I literally dare someone to try and do it. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. I'm literally letting you know it's not gonna happen. Do it. Go for it. Here, watch. I can do it because I fucking know how to do it. Fuck off. Get out of the... Oh shit, I gotta get out of the way. Oh, what the fuck? Here, let's see if Connor can actually do it.
Back the fuck away.
Yeah, back the fuck away, because I want to see if Connor can do it. Nobody hop into it. You might want... nobody hop in, nobody hop in. Get the... Rip you! Rip you! Rip all of you! There's no way you're gonna make it. There's no way. There's no way. I fucking told you! Did I fucking tell you? Did I fucking tell you? Did I fucking tell you? What'd I say? What did I say? What'd I fucking say? There's no possible way for you to get through there. What did I fucking say? I told you won't be able to get through there. There's no possible way to do it. It's just too narrow. That's your problem. Oh, you're really fucked. You're gonna really try it right here. You're really fucked. Okay.
You just shut the fuck up, man. That's it. Time for a colonoscopy.
Oh no! Oh!
Alright, Mater Boy, we've got your family hostage. You're gonna have to come with me.
Oh,
drop all your
shut
gear.
the fuck!
Wait,
Oh
Mater Boy,
my god!
This is...
Okay. Someone execute Order 66 on somebody here. Hey, what does your name say? Charlie Mike? What does CM go by? What does CM go by? Oi. What does CM go by? I'm gonna...
I've got a gun pointed at your back, and you're gonna drop all your gear, and you're not gonna turn around, because you can't see it. Alright, don't turn around, I got a gun. Don't turn around. Drop all your gear on the ground or you die. Drop all your gear on your gown or you die. Don't turn around. That is the LR, you spastic.
Oh,
What
well,
are you doing?
I can't give him any of this gear.
User left your channel.
Oh, you guys don't never learn, do ya? Do ya? Ah! Get out of here! Get out of here! You ain't taking shit.